Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring the beauty of wooden art for every season. From spring blossoms to winter wonderlands, wooden decor can bring a touch of nature and warmth to your home all year round. We'll showcase creative projects and ideas that you can easily make to celebrate each season. So, let's dive in and get inspired to craft some beautiful seasonal wooden art. 1. Spring wooden art. Let's start with spring. Think about vibrant colors and floral designs. You can create wooden flower signs or painted garden stakes. These cheerful pieces add a fresh touch to your decor as nature blooms. 2. Summer wooden art. Next up is summer. Consider beach-themed art. You can make wooden beach signs, seashell decorations, or even whimsical beach chairs. These projects capture the essence of summer fun and relaxation. 3. Fall wooden art. As we move into fall, think about warm colors and harvest themes. Wooden pumpkins, leaf-shaped coasters, and fall-themed wall hangings can bring the cozy vibes of autumn into your home. You can even try your hand at wood burning for detailed designs. 4. Winter wooden art. Finally, let's talk about winter. Create festive wooden decorations like snowmen, Christmas trees, or even rustic holiday signs. These pieces can brighten up your space during the colder months and make wonderful gifts. 5. Tips for seasonal wooden art. Remember, you can personalize your wooden art with colors and styles that reflect your taste. Don't hesitate to mix and match techniques like painting, staining, and wood burning to make each piece unique. Spring wooden art. Let's kick things off with spring. This season is all about renewal and vibrant colors. Consider creating wooden flower wall art or painted garden stakes. You can also make a cheerful welcome sign adorned with butterflies or blooming flowers. These pieces not only brighten your home but also celebrate the beauty of nature coming back to life. Fall wooden art. As we transition into fall, it's time for warm colors and harvest themes. Think about making wooden pumpkins, leaf-shaped coasters, or rustic signs that say, "Harvest," or "Welcome Autumn." You might even want to try wood burning to add intricate details. These cozy decorations can enhance your home's ambience as the leaves change and the air turns crisp. Winter wooden art. Finally, let's explore winter. This season is perfect for creating festive wooden decorations. Consider making snowmen, wooden Christmas trees, or even advent calendars. You can use a mix of paint and natural wood finishes to create rustic holiday decor that brings warmth to your home during the colder months. Don't forget to personalize your pieces with family names or holiday greetings. Tips for seasonal wooden art. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Use non-toxic paints and finishes, especially for items that will be outdoors. Incorporate different textures by mixing painting and natural wood finishes. Personalize your art with names, dates, or meaningful quotes to give them a special touch. Remember to have fun and let your creativity flow. Closing thoughts. Creating seasonal wooden art is a wonderful way to express your creativity and celebrate the changing seasons. Plus, these pieces make fantastic gifts for friends and family. Main content. Creating seasonal wooden art. First, let's quickly recap the types of seasonal wooden art you can create. For spring, consider floral decorations. For summer, beach-themed signs. For fall, rustic pumpkins. And for winter, festive ornaments. Make sure your pieces are unique and reflect the spirit of each season. Pricing your art. Now, let's talk about pricing. To set the right price, consider the following factors: cost of materials. Calculate how much you spent on wood, paint, and other supplies. Time investment. Factor in how many hours you spent creating each piece. Market research. Look at similar items online to gauge what others are charging. Profit margin. Aim for a profit margin that reflects your skill and effort. Typically, a markup of 2 to 3 times your material costs is a good starting point. Marketing your wooden art. Next, let's discuss marketing. Here are some effective strategies. Social media. Share high-quality photos of your art on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Use relevant hashtags to reach a broader audience. Local craft fairs. Participate in local markets and fairs to showcase your art in person. This is a great way to connect with customers and build community relationships. Online marketplaces. Consider selling on platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or even your own website. These platforms can help you reach a larger audience. Building an online presence. Creating an online presence is crucial for selling your wooden art. Here are some tips. Engaging content. Post videos or photos of your process, behind-the-scenes looks, and finished pieces. This builds interest and connection with your audience. Customer interaction. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages. Building relationships can lead to repeat customers. Email newsletter. Start an email list to keep your audience updated on new products, seasonal promotions, and upcoming events. Shipping and customer service. When it comes to shipping, make sure to use sturdy packaging to protect your art. Consider offering free shipping for orders over a certain amount to encourage larger purchases. And always provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries and handle any issues professionally. Thank you for joining me today as we explored how to sell your seasonal wooden art. With the right pricing, marketing strategies, and customer service, you can turn your passion into a successful venture. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.